Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 55th tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. In this tutorial, we're going to learn to add and remove users using the GUI tools. Now, adding and removing users can be done through the terminal as well using the user add and the user del commands respectively, but I guess it's always best to use the GUI options that you have because you're always aware of what you're doing, right? So I'll go to system first, and then in administration I'll find the option users and groups. Click on that and Ubuntu will display to me all the user accounts that are currently there on the system, and this is my account and this is an account that I created a few days ago. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to delete this account by clicking on the delete option here, and when I click on it I'm asked for my password, so I'll type in my password and then press the enter key to authenticate, and then I get this option whether I want to keep the files that were created by the new user and were saved in the home directory of the new user, or if I don't want to remove the account. That's the second option. And the third option is whether I want to delete the files or not. So of course I want to delete the files, and I'll click on delete files, and there you see that the user is no longer listed in the list, right? And it's actually pretty simple to add a new user to the system. You have to click on add, and then you have to provide your password to authenticate, and then you have to type in the name of the user, and I'll just type in new user 2. Okay, and the username is automatically generated for me, and you can change the username as well if you want, but I'll just let it be. And then you have to click on OK, right? And then you're asked for a password, and I'll type in a password. Alright, now click on OK, and there you go. You see that the user account is displayed in the list. So now if you want to log in through the new account that you've created, then you've got plenty of options. You can go to the switch user option, or you can select the user directly from the list that you see here, or you can do it using the terminal as well, and that's what we're going to check out. I have two terminal windows here. In the first window I have logged in myself, and when I execute the who command here, then you see that I get myself listed with two terminal windows, right? Because two terminals are currently active. And what I'll do in the second window is I'll type in the command. Let me bring it up properly first. I'll type in the command sudo login, and that's because I'll have to be the super user to execute the login command. And when I press the enter key, I'm asked for my password. I'll type in my password and press the enter key again, and then I'm asked for the user name with which I wish to log in, and I'll type in new user 2 and press the enter key, and then I'll have to type in the password for the account. Now I'll type in the password, and when I press the enter key, you see that I get a new prompt now, and this one says that the user that has logged in is new user 2, and of course it's at the system Ubuntu, right? And let me clear the screen, and now when I execute the who command, then you would see that with one terminal window I have logged in myself, and this is this terminal window, right? And here you can see that the prompt says Madhur add Ubuntu, whereas in this terminal we see new user add Ubuntu, and the users have obviously different terminals. In the next tutorial we'll build a script that uses multiple user accounts, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.